In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived emails in Gmail. If an email seems to vanish after you tidy up your inbox, it likely wasn't deleted. It was archived. In Gmail, archiving simply removes the inbox label from a message so it no longer shows in your main inbox, but it still lives safely in your account. The quickest place to look is All Mail. On a computer, open Gmail in your browser. In the left panel, if you don't see everything, scroll and click More to expand the list, then click All Mail. This view holds everything in your account: messages in your inbox, sent mail, labeled items, and anything you've archived. As you scroll, archived emails look like normal messages, but you'll notice they don't have the inbox label on them. That missing label is the giveaway that the message was archived. On the Gmail mobile app, open the app, then tap the menu icon in the top left. Scroll down and tap All Mail. Just like on desktop, you'll see a combined list of all messages, and archived ones are mixed in. Again, they won't show the inbox tag, which is how you can tell they're archived. Keep in mind that archiving doesn't change labels you added yourself. It only removes the inbox label. If you don't want to scroll, use the Gmail search bar. Search works across your entire account, including archived mail. Type something you remember, like a keyword from the subject or body, the sender's name, or part of the conversation. For example, enter project update and press enter. If you want to focus on messages that aren't in your inbox, try adding a minus sign to exclude the inbox label, like keyword in inbox. That tells Gmail to show messages that match your keyword but are not currently in the inbox, which often surfaces archived emails quickly. Once you find the message you want, it's easy to put it back in your inbox. Open the email from All Mail and on the toolbar, click Move to Inbox. That action simply reapplies the inbox label, and the message will appear again in your main inbox list. A couple of quick reminders before we wrap up. Archived emails are not deleted. They're just removed from your inbox view. Everything you've archived stays in All Mail until you delete it yourself. So whenever something disappears, check All Mail or run a quick search and you'll bring it right back. That's all you need to confidently find and restore archived emails in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.